Hi, welcome everyone to Recipe YouTube channel. Today we are going to make homemade pizza. You can make within 1 hour. Very easy, very quick recipe. These are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt, oregano, cheese, dry yeast, tomato paste, sugar, olive oil, and some mixed vegetables. You can use any vegetables. First, we are going to mix all-purpose flour, dry yeast, sugar, salt, olive oil we will add at last. Water we will add 225 milliliter. Already now 4 minutes. Now I am going to add the olive oil. Now our PizzaDough is ready. We put some olive oil. We'll apply some olive oil on top, and we will rest in room temperature another 30 minutes. Our PizzaDough is ready, so we are going to divide each portion 250 gram. This is the dough we divided before, 250 gram. You can see how I make the shape before make the pizza. Should be like ball. This is homemade pizza, so you don't expect same like what you're getting from restaurant. It's different. This is not Pizza Hut. This is not. This is something else. I add some oregano, just tomatoes, fresh tomato, fresh peppers, some potatoes. Especially nice. I want nice taste. So our pizza is ready now. So we are going to bake 300 degree, fan number 3, and 5 minutes it will be ready. Pizza is ready, so let's see. Wow, delicious. Looks very nice.
Wait, I've been waiting now 2 hours. Do you have minutes?